AI coins tumbled this week. Memecoins dipped then crashed. And gaming tokens cooled after a big pump. I'll show you which coins to watch, what's the real alpha, and a tight checklist to trade each sector. Welcome to Sector Watch only on 3.0 TV. It's your weekly data-driven snapshot of what's moving in crypto. This week we focus on three sectors. Number one, we've got artificial intelligence or AI. Number two is meme coins, and number three is gaming or GameFi. What the headlines are, on-chain flows, that means for traders and allocators as well. So let's have a quick snapshot into these sectors. In the last 7 days, AI has gone down by 8%. The market cap sits at $29.86 billion, and the trading volume in the last 24 hours sits at around $4.5 billion. Meme coins are down the most. They are down by 18.8% in the last 7 days. The market cap is the highest of the three sectors. It sits at $75 billion, and the volume sits at $8 billion. In gaming, it's down by 13.4%. The market cap sits at $12.4 billion, the lowest out of the three, and the volume is $1.57 billion. So let's look into a dive deep into each sector. We'll start with artificial intelligence or AI. So AI has seen short-term pain, selective winners. So AI sector pulled back 8% this week after heavy liquidation and rotation into a few winners. What are these winners in the week? So we've got AWE, which is AWE Network, which is up by 53.3%. It's got big volume and a narrative. Then we've got DEXE, which is up by 14.5%. In the last week, that's got product upgrades and partnership. And then we've got AUKI, which is up around 14.1%. It's a smaller cap momentum. What are the key news and drivers in this sector? So number one, we've seen Story Protocol or IP. It is a breakout narrative. So buybacks, IP tokenization, K-pop music tokenization. Aria had $101 billion. We had serial exchange integrations and big partnerships pushed IP to new all-time highs. So IP hit an all-time high. Google launched AB2, which is agent payments protocol and major integration. So we've seen Coinbase, X402, Sui, MetaMask opens agent payment rates. Griffin AI launched an execution agent that plugs into DeFi flows, showing real product utility and traction. Why does this matter? AI remains product-driven. A few projects with real integration and buybacks are capturing capital, but the broader sector is fragile. Many small AI tokens fell 20% plus, prefer tokens with revenue, partnerships, and on-chain utility. So the next sector is meme coin. This is more headline driven, and it has huge volatility in it. So meme coin sold off hard this week. It went down by 18.8%, but several micro pockets showed rocket moves. Narrative momentum is still powerful. In the top weekly gainers, we've got AIC, which is AI Companions. It is up around 106.2% in the last 7 days. We've got APEPE, which is Ape and Pepe, which is up by 15% in the last 7 days. And then we've got TIBBIR, TIBBIR, which is debitor / virtuals. So it's up by 7%. What are the key news in the sector? So in meme coins, number one, we've seen DOGE ETF momentum. So multiple ETF / DTT listings and day one volume spikes continue to fuel meme chatter. So we had DOGE plus TDOG talk, and we had $17 million day one volume for DOGE ETFs. Pump.fun keeps dominating launchpad volume and pre-sales. That is, Pump.fun has been generating a lot of revenue and doing a lot of buybacks on that. And then we've seen corporate and treasury buys. So Clean Core and Thumbs Up adds an institutional backing headline, even if not traditional FOMO. Why does this matter? So memes are pure risk on. Even when headlines align ETF listings, big pre-sales, microcaps explode. When macro liquidity wobbles, they crash faster. This is a short-term alpha territory for nimble traders only. So the last sector is gaming or GameFi. So it's cooling off, but structure catalysts remain. So GameFi is down 13% this week, but sector had pockets of strength. And new game launches are meaningful for adoption. So in the top weekly gainers, we've seen SERAPH, SERAPH, which is up by 2%. We've got LGCT. So this is a very small cap sector. So these are very new small cap tokens that you'll see. LGCT and DEP, they are both up around 1%. The main news in gaming is that Immutable X or IMX showed a 50% pump earlier, driving the sector interest back to gaming. We've also seen AriaAI JRPG beta launch and Wolf Game acquisition up at a catalyst. Real downloads and gameplay metrics matter more than price in the gaming sector. Traditional firms are moving into gaming and crypto. We've got AGAE Treasury partnership, or Treasury moves and partnership, and that provides corporate tailwinds. So why does it matter? GameFi rewards product engagement, look for monetization metrics, daily active users, and tokens, things like NFT utility in game spending. Market is still fragile until sustained users number arrive. So how do you trade this week? Number one, in AI, you pick winners with real partnerships and on-chain utility. I mean, look at IPO Story Protocol. Then we've also seen AP2 integrations. Side positions, small, use news as entry points. Memes are fast trading, take profits quickly and use tight stops, only risk capital that you can afford to lose. Pre-sale listings are one of the main alphas in this as well. And then GameFi, it's the longer horizon, prioritize projects with measurable user growth and token sinks, use tips to add to high quality gaming protocols. So that's your sector watch snapshot. AI is consolidating, meme coins remain headline driven and volatile, and GameFi needs actual user metrics to reaccelerate. If you trade, size carefully and keep stop discipline. So that's it for today's Sector Watch. Thank you for watching T.TV. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to be updated with the latest news and developments happening in the Web3 space. I'll see you guys again on next Friday. Happy weekend for now.